Hi everyone, welcome to this new podcast video. And today we have a special guest. He is a digital group expert and digital coach. He is the founder of Digital Tribe Builder. He is none other than Sagar Sangam Saho. You can learn today how you can start your online journey, how you can earn money from online. If you really wants to make money online, listen this podcast. If you are listening on Spotify, listen this podcast till the last. If you are watching this video on YouTube or any other platform, watch this video completely to get out of the most in this video. Hey, welcome, Sagar. Welcome to the Pinak Show podcast. And first of all, please can you please share your introduction, that where you come from and how you till that you are doing excellent job, how your journey has started from where and till now that you are helping lots of people. Can you share about yourself for my audience?
Yes, thank you for Pinak. Thank you so much for inviting me. And my name is Sagar. I'm from a small city called Baleshwar,
Mhm.
and where I have a like my hometown. And currently, I'm in Bhubaneswar, which is my home office, you can say,
Mhm.
and where I work and I do all of my creative production over here. So my journey started all about 2019, where I was actually researching about entrepreneurship,
Mhm.
how I can be a motivational speaker like that. This type of journey I wanted to pursue, but for some reason, like that, okay, what after motivations? Something that questions hit my head, and I said, okay, I need to build a skill. Then I did a lot of research about digital marketing, specifically internet marketing. Okay, I go to learn about funnel, all these things, and suddenly I got to meet with all the digital masters that we know, like the 9 masters that SuccessGan. There is one event SuccessGan hosted, and that time I realized, okay, you need to master all these digital marketing skills as well as internet marketing skills like sales funnel, all these things, and copywriting. That's how I got to introduce to this world. But that point of time, I didn't had any money to invest into some, or I didn't have patience to even pursue for 1 year, 2 year struggling journey. I wanted to quick money, right? And just to search of quick money, I found affiliate marketing because बोलते हैं ना कि affiliate marketing करो, quick money कमा लो.
Mhm.
But in search of that, I got a one quick sale, I think 299 rupees of sale
Mhm.
by spamming in sort of lot of WhatsApp group. Then I realized, like, is this the one thing that something I'm going to do it for lifetime? Then I says no. So how we can authentically promote something so that people can come to me? That's how, like, okay, I need to run paid ads. But पेड आर्ट्स के लिए पैसा नहीं था देन, क्योंकि कोविड उस टाइम में आ गया था, उस टाइम में जॉब एट स्टेक और
Mhm.
रिस्क लेना भी पसंद नहीं था. तो somehow I could find out the things called organic marketing, how we can market our products through organic methods. I implemented 15 days, I got $100. I said, wow, this things
Wow.
works. So I started researching about it, started researching about 4 straight month, no sales. I just go here and there, signing up different program. Shiny objects happened, first distraction happened. Then I said, okay, I learned one big thing in throughout that failure. I have to be focused. Then I again started focusing on one thing, one product, one offer, one target market, nothing else, and surrendered to one single mentor. The
Mhm.
power of one. If you read the book,
Yeah, yeah.
the one thing,
One thing.
that's called that power of the one. I
Mhm.
said I have to just focus on one. Then that's how I started from getting results within 3 months. I hit my $1,000 from affiliate marketing. That's
Wow.
my biggest kickstart. It took me 8 months, but yeah, it is worth doing it because I learned a lot of things by doing some mistakes.
Mhm.
And the biggest things helped me in throughout my journey is consistency. आपके पास टैलेंट लिए लोग बोलते हैं, बट अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट हो वैल्यू क्रिएशन में, वैल्यू क्रिएशन कैन बी थ्रू गिविंग अ सर्विस, or value creation can be through content, then nobody can stop you to make money. Nobody can stop you to get success. So that is my start journey. Now, then I shifted to coaching 2021 because I believe the real marketing is all about building your personal brand.
Mhm. So,
Yeah.
if someone today someone wants to start earning from money online, so
Mhm.
what are the steps that you can suggest? That what are the things that they need to follow must that to start earning from online?
There are a lot of things like affiliate marketing is one thing. Affiliate marketing, one thing like promoting other people product if you don't have anything, any product. So that is the easiest method to start because
Hmm.
आपको बस प्रोडक्ट चूज करना है एंड किसको चाहिए वो जानने के बाद उनको दे दो और वो आपके स्पेशल लिंक के थ्रू लेते हैं तो यू गेट मनी आउट ऑफ इट, यू
Hmm.
गेट कमीशन आउट ऑफ इट. बट अदर वेज लाइक कोचिंग जैसे मैं करता हूँ बट यू हैव टू हैव सम स्किल्स.
Hmm.
इवन एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के लिए भी आपको स्किल चाहिए. प्रमोशन करने के लिए आपको ट्रैफिक की नॉलेज आनी चाहिए, राइट?
Hmm.
सो फॉर बोथ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू बिल्ड स्किल फर्स्ट, सेल योर सर्विसेज. अब आजकल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में क्या है, आप फ्रीलांसिंग भी कर सकते हो, वो भी कर सकते हो. तो दैट इज समथिंग अनदर सोर्सेस. सो या स्टार्ट विद बिल्डिंग स्किल व्हाट कैन which can solve a bigger problem in the market. That is the best thing to start.
When it comes to skill, right? People nowadays are confused about niche. Skill are nothing but a niche. So,
Mm-hmm.
what do you think that what is the right path to choose a niche, or that anyone can choose?
See, आपको देखना होगा कि यार by default without someone asking me who is something that you are more attracted towards. मैं क्या करता हूँ, अच्छा मुझे ना YouTube में इस टाइप के कंटेंट ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं, मेक मनी ऑनलाइन नीश, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, इंस्पिरेशंस. ओके, तो दैट्स हाउ आई बिकम, आई वांटेड टू बी ए पब्लिक स्पीकर, है ना. देन अगेन स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट मार्केटिंग. देन आई ओके मार्केटिंग इज माय कोर स्ट्रेंथ. फ्रॉम देन स्टार्ट. सो फर्स्ट आपको देखो कि लाइक आपके अंदर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग क्या ऐसा है चीज है. अगर आपके एग्जिस्टिंग ऐसे कुछ बैक स्टोरी ऐसे कुछ है उसकी, और आपके ऐसे करंट मार्केट में ऐसे कुछ अगर अलाइंड हो जाएंगे, दैट्स हाउ यू फाइंड न्यूश. अभी जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ सेल्स एंड ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग पढ़ा रहा हूँ बिकॉज वो कहीं ना कहीं एक प्रॉब्लम था 3 साल पहले, उसको मैंने सॉल्व कर लिया. 2021 में आई वाज दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वाज लाइक या just getting the breakthrough, but I was still the very early stage of my journey. But उस टाइम का जो सागर is now my audience, very much equivalent to my audience. ठीक है ना. तो आपका जो बैक स्टोरी कॉन्ग्रुएंस देखना चाहिए कि यार पीछे से आपने क्या किया. अगर आप लोग नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, आई डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस ना, चलो अब आप देखो कि ये चीज 2-3 एरियाज है जहां पे मुझे इंटरेस्ट है ना. तो वो आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. एकदम से वन थिंग आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं मिला. हम मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वन प्रोडक्ट वन ऑफर ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बट वन थिंग स्टार्टिंग से नहीं आएगा. तो वो आपको ट्राई एंड टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. आपको थोड़ा हाथ पैर फैला के फेल होना पड़ेगा.
जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, जितना बोलते फेल फास्ट फेल फॉरवर्ड.
So, after niche, if someone got the niche, now the difficult part is getting leads. So, what you can say that the 3 steps or 5 steps or anything that you can say that getting lead easily from Facebook. Most
पहले
of the
तो
people,
कि
most
आपको,
of the people have
यस,
Facebook basically. That's why I'm.
लोग बोलते हैं कि अच्छा मैं फेसबुक प्रोफाइल बना दिया, लोग आके हमारे पास बैठ जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं होता. पहले ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट करो. मैं इसीलिए सजेस्ट करता हूँ ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग. आई नो पीपल डोंट हैव मनी टू रन पेड एड्स. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में जो लोग होते हैं उनके पास इतना कैश फ्लो नहीं होते. बट हाँ, जिसके पास पैसा है फिर आई सजेस्ट ओके जाओ आप पैसे डाल दो. बट अगर आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, आपने कुछ बनाया भी नहीं है, आप इतना इन्वेस्ट अपफ्रंट नहीं कर सकते हो, बेटर टू स्टार्ट लर्निंग अबाउट ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग. Because organic marketing, the marketing that takes time, but it will give you a like real insights about the marketing, है ना. तो इससे क्या होता है कि you will need to find out कि आपके ऑडियंस कौन कौन है. फर्स्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप, वो ऑडियंस कहाँ पे ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. दे आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम ऑन इन लिंक्डइन. वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो तो लिंक्डइन में करेंगे. यंग एज हो तो वो लोग स्पेंड कर रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे. फेसबुक पे मिक्स टाइप ऑफ ऑडियंस होते हैं ना. तो सोचो कि आपके जो ऑडियंस कहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं और वहां पे आप एक्टिव हो जाओ एंड आप डिस्कवरेबल हो जाओ. देखो इट इज नॉट समथिंग कि आपको बहुत ज्यादा आता है, ठीक है ना. कितने लोगों को आपके बारे में पता है, दैट इज मैटर मोस्ट. जितने लोग, इट इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ मेनी पीपल नो यू. that is only through creating content, making yourself available in front of them. Like हम ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग में कभी कभी फेसबुक कम्युनिटी के अंदर एक्टिव होने के लिए बोलते हैं कि आप उस ग्रुप पे एक्टिव हो जाओ, स्टार्ट। जैसे कि डेफिनेटली यू आर पार्ट ऑफ, लेट्स से भूपेंद्र सर, राइट? डेफिनेटली उस ग्रुप के अंदर आपको बहुत लोग जानते होंगे, यस और नो,
Yes.
है ना? योर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू सेल दैम, बट कहीं ना कहीं इफ यू बिल्ड दैट कनेक्शंस टुडे, यू नेवर नो दैट कैन बी a future big customer tomorrow. Similarly, these are the things, something that the strategy that you can use in organic methods that can help you to grow. Yeah.
If you're
First
watching
step.
this video till that means you are getting lots of value. If you are getting value, please like this video, subscribe this channel. And I'm coming to the next questions, Sagar, that if right now that people know that this is my niche, this is the way getting the leads, the most part, the important part, I think it's follow up. People are don't know how to do follow up perfectly. So what are the suggestion you can give that how to do follow up for sales?
Okay, follow up, like, see, follow up मैसेज में कर सकते हो, नॉर्मली कॉल पे भी कर सकते हो आप फॉलो अप। तो मैसेजेस में जब भी आप करते हो तो आप, so लोग बोलते हैं कि फॉलो अप इज लाइक मे बी सेल्सी थिंग्स, लोग डरते हैं, राइट? बट मैं बोलता हूँ फॉलो अप इज केयरिंग।
Wow.
आप अगर फॉलो अप कर रहे हो तो इट शोज दैट यू आर केयर फॉर देयर ग्रोथ। पैसा इज द रिजल्ट, पैसा इज नॉट द गोल देयर। आप उनको अगर सही इंटेंशन से जाके हेल्प करना चाहते हो, इट मीन्स दैट यू केयर फॉर देम। दैट इज व्हाट मीन्स, या फॉलो अप। You just think it is a care for your audience, you don't hesitate, just go and ask. That's it. Yeah.
My maximum audience is from a manifestation, law of attraction. So what do you think? Do you believe in law of attraction, and what do you think that about law of attraction?
Yes, law of attraction is like every day we do a law of attractions, but we don't call it a law of attractions. But I think I officially started learning law of attractions recently. It is really magic. Yeah. Today morning also I practiced hope no no.
Wow.
I was watching this, yeah, all these things. So yeah, like this is the things that we should always practice every single time, because our emotional state can change any point of time. Like we don't have any control. The only things can be done is through affirmations, and that is what base of law of attraction, right?
So can you share three biggest that manifestation you have had in your life, like a miracle in your life, that can you share with us?
Miracle, like something 10th बोर्ड पे जब घर पे बिलीव नहीं करते थे कि 80% रख पाएगा कि नहीं, राइट? मैं बोलते चलो डिप्लोमा करवा देते हैं, इससे साइंस में नहीं कर पाएगा ये, इसका अगर 70% आ गया तो बहुत अच्छा है। तो मैं ऐसे बोल रहा था कि आई विल डू 80%। तो लोग घर पे बोलते क्यों, मतलब जितना है उतना बोल रहे। सो व्हेन रिजल्ट्स आउट, लाइक माय father got like so happy, so happy. I never seen my father got so happy. That is one magical moment. Then I think there is one thing since long by, that is lifetime things. Manifestations, like specifically my mentor, like being part of this Siddharth mastermind. And when I met Siddharth, I was talking to 2020 March now, and I took a photo. And when I was taking this photo, I had an intention that I manifested that ki this photo I will be remember that day ki when I will be part of HOF. तो मैंने वो एक मेरे माइंड पे था, हर बार मैं अपनी प्रोफाइल पे जाके देखता था कि यार whenever it will come I'll just put it. तो जैसे ही वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुआ और पब्लिश हुआ, तो मैंने उसको उठाया और उसको दोनों को फोटो को एडिट किया कि दिस इज बिफोर, दिस इज आफ्टर। सो दिस इज अनदर manifestation that I did. I think these are the two things that I could recollect. There are a lot of other things, but yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So we are coming to the end of this podcast, and can you share three things to our audience, three tips to they can achieve their result or goal in life so fast that you can share?
The very first is lifelong learner.
Hmm.
That is like you have to keep learning, keep updating. Now, abhi AI is coming, already come, right? If you are not learning that, you'll
Hmm.
get behind.
Hmm.
रोना नहीं है कि यार AI रिप्लेस कर रहा है कॉपीराइटर के लिए.
Hmm.
AI cannot survive without a human being. So you need to be there. You need to learn that AI system. So lifelong learning should be there. That's and to lifelong learning, एक somebody should be there, एक coach. अगर
Hmm.
आपके पास कोच नहीं है जो कि handhold you,
Hmm.
who you can actually talk to, because online business is loneliest job in the world. Somebody has to hold your hand to keep you track in this journey. Who is that person,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? So that is something you need to have. And the third thing is being part of a community,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
right community.
Right, right.
This is like fastest way to grow.
Hmm. Hmm.
There's nothing better than that. So because these are three things that help me immensely, I cannot say. I think these are three golden tip I could give.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much, Sagar, for joining this podcast and sharing your knowledge, valuable knowledge. It will help a lot of people. I can sure that. And thank you so much accepting my invitation to sharing your knowledge and doing podcast with me. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Pinak. You are doing awesome, and you are a big inspiration to a lot of people. I whatever you do, just keep doing, keep inspiring. That is my and thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you. If you're watching this video till now, that please do like. Also, you will find link of Sagar's upcoming webinar and to his YouTube channel. You can check out his videos and you can check out his webinar as well as. Thank you so much watching this video and thank you. Make this channel best out of your life because every day you will find hope no and law of attraction video that can change your life. Follow this channel, follow this video and also like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.